Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm thrilled to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to set a password on Windows 11 to keep your PC secure. Whether you're setting up a new account or adding extra protection to your current one, I'll walk you through it step by step. It's super easy and a must-know for anyone passionate about tech safety, so let's lock it down together and get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, click the Start button, that Windows icon on your taskbar, and choose Settings. Next, go to Accounts on the left sidebar, then click Sign In Options. Scroll down to Password if you don't have one yet. It'll say Add. Click that, then type your new password twice to confirm it. Make it strong mixed letters, numbers, and symbols. After that, add a password hint, like favorite book, to jog your memory but don't make it too obvious. Finally, hit Finish, and you're set. Next time you log in, you'll need that password. One tip: if it rejects your password, it might be too weak. Add more characters. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments if you've set a password. What's your hint idea? I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.